How to send a message to Etsy seller. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel, The Solution Guy. In today's video, I'll guide you through the steps on how you can send a message to an Etsy seller. So make sure to watch the video till the end. If you want to send a message to an Etsy seller without already purchasing the product, right? So you have not purchased the product, you just have some questions. Instead of commenting on it, you want to just actually send a message. So to do this, all you have to do is first of all view the specific product that you would like to shop, and then basically you can see this one product over here, right? Just come to the details page. On the right hand side, you'll find the seller details, and if you scroll down, you'll find the option called message. So basically you can see meet your seller button. Just click on the meet your seller and you can see message this seller, right? You can just click on the message button here, and then you can just go ahead, send them a specific message as you want, and it depends upon the seller as to when they can reply to you. If you also have some frequently asked questions, you can just go to frequently asked section and then actually send a message to that person that way. That is it for this video. If it did help you in either way, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, feel free to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end of the tutorial, and see you in the next video.